Imagine building a full web UI just by typing one sentence. No Figma, no coding, just AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today I am going to show you something insane. Google new AI tool called Stitch. So basically what is Stitch? So basically Google Stitch is an AI powered designer tool that can turn your ideas into real app interface in seconds. It can generate UI for both mobile and web apps just from text, sketch, or even screenshots. So I am going to use this test. Click on try now. Let's go to the dashboard page and I will create a finance dashboard with charts, dark mode, and analytics. And you can see the mode option here, which one I want to be. Let's start mobile application, and you can also get the model here. So let's keep it default and start work, and it will start generating. You can see my application UI is started generating. The responses is started. You can see the left side, and it may take a few minutes. And you can see the my color plates are restarted, or my color plates are showing now, and the screens are all showing. Okay, you can see that there is a lots of option after generated. You can also regenerate or fix the something. Just like me, this screen align is not looking center. So basically I again told to redesign this, or if you need to update the design, you can ask for a redesign. The redesign is done and it looks absolutely perfect. And let's now start prototype. Can we check this by running? How will be it look in a mobile phone? If you can see that it's look absolutely perfect, and by clicking on the menu items, it's looking perfect. Okay, let's go back, and now we need to be see, can we export, which option we can export. There is a lots of export option: Figma, HTML, zip, AI Studio, everything. Let's try to export it in HTML file, like me, and let's open it. You can see that this is looking the design, and you know this is absolutely perfect. And let's try to start this in Google AI Studio, and you can see he push a image and a HTML file. And okay, now click on the ready, and you can see AI Studio started coding to my application, and give it some time. It will take some time, and you can see he completed my application functional. And you can see the all files are here, and this selection field working, and let's check the search are also working. And it does not make a design. It can also generate front-end code like HTML and CSS. This changes everything for developers. Why this is crazy? This changes everything for developers. No more starting from scratch. No one wasting hours on UI design. Just describe, generate, and edit. Even non-designer can now create professional UI easily. But it's not perfect yet. It's still experimental, and sometimes results depend heavily on your prompt. Think of it as a super fast prototyping tool, not a full replacement yet. This is part of a bigger shift. AI is moving from coding and designing entire apps. Soon, building app might be as easy as chatting with AI. If you are a developer, designer, or startup founder, you need to try this. Link in the description. Follow Tech Stack Hub for more insane AI tools and comment, would you like to replace Figma with this? I will see you in the next one.